This was, incidentally, the second most popular question, because viewers would submit questions and then members of the public would vote. Why is marijuana illegal when alcohol and tobacco are more addictive and dangerous to our health, but we manage to control them? Would an education about drugs from a younger age be better?
Well, there's one bit of that question I agree with, which I think education about drugs is vital, and we should make sure that education programs are there in our schools, and we should make sure that they work. But I don't really accept the rest of the question. I think if you actually look at the sort of marijuana that is on sale today, it is actually incredibly damaging, very, very toxic, and leads to, in many cases, huge mental health problems. But I think the more fundamental reason for not making these drugs legal is that to make them legal would make them even more prevalent and would increase use levels even more than they are now. So I don't think it is the right answer. I think a combination of education and also treatment programs for drug addicts, I think those are the two most important planks of a proper anti-drug policy.
But the argument that it could be used as medicinal properties, that was another question we actually had, a person saying it's got proven medicinal properties, if used properly and regulated properly, could actually be quite helpful.
Hello, Mr. David Cameron. My name is Kane Derrick. With the 1974 Virginia study, 2007 Harvard study and 2009 Madrid study, all showing that the active compounds in marijuana shrink and destroy tumorous and cancerous cells with no toxic side effects, when do you think it's a good time to start medicalising marijuana and saving lives? Thank you for your time, Mr. David Cameron.
That is a matter for the science and medical authorities to determine, and they are free to make independent determinations about that. But the question here about whether illegal drugs should be made legal, my answer is no.
Okay, then.